question is not, can I get them all? The question is, are there gonna be enough? Alright, Kabiljous Nature Reserve, and we're going for cache number 4. Last entry in the activity log was on the 30th of September 2022. Amy and Jordy did not find. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna get it. The one before that was on the 24th of July. Did not find. Last owner maintenance was done on the 2nd of January 2022. All still good. So there's quite a few did not find, so this could be tricky. And let's see if they left us a hint. Kabiljous, down low. Okay, now I know Kabiljous is the Afrikaans for the camphor tree. Tarcananthus camphoratus, scientific name. So it seems like the cache is hidden by a camphor tree. Difficulty 1.5, terrain 1.5, size small. Let's do this. Right, 109 meters. Right up ahead. Right, 4 meters. Right. This is a camphor bush. Massive spiders. Alright, wait, now it's pointing me in that direction. 7 meters. Six meters. It's not this bush. It's that one. You know what this is? Camphor bush. Kabiljous. This is it. Ground zero. Okay, wait. More spiders. So I think it's time to put the gloves on. Who knows what could be hiding in this tall grass? Down low. Okay, wait, there we go. That's it right there. I see it. There we go. There we are. Okay. Though it's tied to the tree with a wire. Okay, I don't need the gloves anymore. Alright, I got it. Here we go. Okay, so let's see, shall we? Okay, here we are. That's the official geocaching logo right there. And this looks like a pretty new one. Man. Alright, this is a replacement log. Alright, you know what? That really gets my gut. There's about 5 names on here. Not one of them has a date next to it. You've got to write your name and the date on the log, and you have to log it in the app. Man, big spider just crawled over my leg. Okay, here's the container. Put that back in there. Right, and then we just close it up. And we hide it back where we found it, right under there. Right. That's it. Whew. Okay, another one down. Man. Okay, so now we log it on the app. Right. Found it. Okay, I'm gonna say very well hidden. Still there. Okay, post. 24 total finds. You earned a souvenir. Yay. Find more geocaches, see more geocache types, and get extra features with Geocaching Premium. Okay. Okay, that's it. That wasn't so rough. Now, let's just take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this place. Check this out. It's only about another 15 minutes till the sun goes down, so I'm gonna find myself a nice quiet spot where I can witness it. In the meantime, take care, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up. So